Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Now, take your key fob and look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. This is where we'll begin the process. With your small flathead screwdriver, carefully insert the tip into that slot you just located. Apply gentle pressure and slowly twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Continue to work your way around the seam if necessary, then gently pry apart the casing. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Once it's back together, head to your Ford Focus and test the key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your doors to ensure everything is working correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.